Now let's go to the High Line.
Okay, let's go, Haj. Hi, very high nga. Hi, hi, hi. Very high. Instagram mo, please. Ang please ako.
Okay.
Before the park closure. Okay. Ito yung High Line, guys. Railway. Baka ito yung sinauna, anak? No. So ito guys, ang the High Line. Anong kwento, Hash? Ito yung first dito sa Manhattan. Dito first dumaan yung first na train. To transport goods, produce. Kaya lang, i-demolish sana to. Pero ginawa na lang inayos at ginawang pasyalan park. Ngayon ito yung road na or park na nasa nasa gitna ng building. Ayan siya. Preserve nila para pasyalan ng mga tao. Ayan, tourist spot na rin to. So they call it the High Line. Ilang tao?
Tatlo.
Ay?
Isa sa harap siya.
Ilang minutes daw?
Ikot-ikot ka lang yan.
Ito na yung building. Ayan, nasa gitna tong High Line. The shed. The edge. Asan na siya? Square. Ano sabi niya? May information dun, no?
Long part of the High Line, that's this piece. This was the original.
We can walk that on our way to Ground Zero.
Yes, Ground Zero is 2.5 miles from here.
We'll see if we made it.
Yeah.
We walked 2 miles to get here, so.
You're gonna walk a lot in the city.
I know.
You can do 12 or 13 miles a day. I mean, I don't know if you can.
See?
It's possible very
No,
easily.
I can't.
Can we check the
Yes, of
photos?
course, of course.
I can't believe that.
That's not one of my
Yeah, that glass floor. I went out there. I went out on the edge with my nephew, and I can't go near that glass floor. I'm terrified of heights. No, it makes
I
me
don't
sick.
like heights either.
The walls are like 18 feet tall, so it doesn't scare me because what scares me is I feel like I'm going to jump. You can't jump over 18 feet wall. But standing on that.
Oh wait, they're outside?
Yeah, it's all outside. It's the highest outdoor observatory in the Western Hemisphere. If he went on that thing, he's jumping up and down, and I would have a heart attack. Yeah.
Sam, let's walk this way, but I kind of want to
Enjoy.
Thank you.
Did you have any questions?
Do you have any questions now? Ask. Oh, nice. So these are the
Original spikes.
spikes.
Mm-hmm.
So this is the first train in Manhattan, or
No, the train started running in the 1840s. This was built between 1929 and 1934 to try and get the trains off the street because they were striking and killing pedestrians.
So mainly the purpose of this one is for transportation of people?
For freight. No, not people at
For
all.
goods.
Never people, goods.
Goods.
That's right.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome.
meron pa doon? Check
Oh,
natin.
when our show is over, so like, we might go see.
Southbound access.
Arctic Limano.
Ganda, ganda yung binag...
May tubig sila.
Ah, okay.
That's where
Ayun pa eh. Bukas magdala tayo. Design. Ano naman itong abstract nila? Gulya. Okay. Line pa rin. Yung pala yung ano, railway oh. Ang ganda ng bulaklak na yan, Mitch. Eh, parang cauliflower. No. Yun din. Tama niya.
parang ano na may nakalimutan ng limat t-shirt.
Okay. Kasi talagang ano, mag-walk lang talaga sila dito. Diretso lang tayo. That's